Applying for a UK student visa doesn't have to be daunting. Let's simplify the online application process together, step by step. First, navigate to the official UK government visa application website. I've put the link in the description below. Look for the Start Now button and click it to begin your application. Accurately fill in your personal information, including your full name as it appears on your passport, your date of birth, and your nationality. Double-check everything for typos to avoid any issues. In the Passport Details section, carefully enter your passport number and expiry date exactly as they appear on your passport. This is crucial for verification. Next, provide your current address and contact information, including a valid email address and phone number. The immigration office may use these to contact you during the application process. When asked to select the visa type, make sure you choose Student Visa Tier 4. This is the specific visa category for international students pursuing education in the UK. Now enter your CAS details, which you'll receive from your sponsoring educational institution. Pay close attention to the CAS number. It's essential for your application. Accurately detail your education and employment history. Provide dates and information for each institution you attended or company you worked for. In the financial information section, declare your source of funds and ensure you have the required documentation, like bank statements, to prove you can support yourself during your studies. Be honest and accurate when answering questions about your immigration history, including any previous visa applications or refusals. Before submitting, review the supporting documents checklist and make sure you have digital copies of everything required, like your passport, CAS letter, and financial proof. Finally, pay the visa application fee and keep the payment confirmation for your records. And that's it. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be well on your way to getting your UK student visa. Good luck with your application.